A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd just like to share with you this lovely one row repeat crochet pattern stitch. It's a great pattern stitch for beginners, and it's a reversible, so it looks the same on both sides. And we're going to be working on a multiple of 6 plus 1 chain. And we're going to start off by working a foundation row and then going straight into the pattern stitch row, which you just repeat for as many times as you want to. And it's a nice, a very nice blanket pattern stitch, especially for a baby blanket. And it's also nice for cardigan or bags, especially a tote bag. So I'm going to be using a 6mm crochet hook or J crochet hook, and that's because I crochet tightly. A 5.5 or a 5mm crochet hook will be just fine depending on how loosely or tightly you crochet. And I'm just going to be using some 8-ply or worsted yarn. So I'm going to start off by making my slip knot. And I'm going to chain my multiples of 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got my multiples of 6. And I'm just going to chain an extra 1. And we're going to be starting off with a foundation row. So I'm going to be missing or skipping 1, 2, 3 chain, and then another chain. So in total we're going to miss 1, 2, 3, 4 chain from the hook. And into the 5th chain from the hook, so 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th chain from the hook, I'm going to work a 3 double crochet shell. So a 3 double crochet shell, you work 3 double crochet into the same stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's your 3 double crochet shell, and this 1, 2, 3 chain that we missed at the beginning, it counts as a stitch and also as a turning chain. So I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work a single crochet. We're going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work a 3 double crochet shell. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain a single crochet. Miss the next chain, and into the following chain we work our 3 double crochet shell. So 1, 2, and 3. Miss the next chain, and into the following chain we work a single crochet. Miss the next chain, and into the following chain we're going to work a 3 double crochet shell. 1, 2, and 3. And we've come to our last 1, 2 chain. I'm going to miss that chain, and I'm going to work a double crochet into the last chain, and that's the foundation row where we have our 3 chain we missed at the beginning of the row. They count as a stitch and as the turning chain, and then we have our shell, 3 double crochet shell, and our single crochet till the end of the row, and then the last chain we've got our double crochet in there. So this is the foundation row. We're now going to go into the pattern row, so I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and the 3 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain, so we're not going to be using this stitch, this first stitch here. And we have our 1, 2, 3 double crochet shell, so I'm going to skip. We're going to be working into the middle, working around the middle double crochet of this 3 double crochet shell. So we're going to miss the first double crochet, and we're going to work our shell front post around the middle double crochet. So just your hook in, around, bring it up, and then just work a double crochet. And we'll do that 2 more times. So instead of working your the next shell into the stitch of your 3 double crochet shell, we're working the shell front post around the middle double crochet of that shell, and it gives it quite a nice little ridge on the when you do that. We're going to miss this last double crochet of the 3 double crochet shell and just work a single crochet into that single crochet, and you just repeat that until the end of the row. So we miss this double crochet around the center double crochet of the 3 double crochet shell. We're going to work our shell front post, our 3 double crochet shell front post around this middle double crochet. So just around front post. So it gives it this nice lovely little ridge. We're going to skip this last double crochet of the foundation row shell, and we're going to work a single crochet into the single crochet, and we just repeat that till the end of the row. So you miss your first double crochet and work your shell front post around the middle double crochet. And then you miss that last double crochet of the shell and a single crochet into the single crochet. We come to our last 3 double crochet shell. We miss that first double crochet, and we work our 3 double crochet shell front post around the middle double crochet. So just 1, 2, and 3. We miss this last double crochet of the 3 double crochet shell, and we've come to our turning chain, our 3 chain, we just work a double crochet into the 3rd chain of the turning chain. And that's your first pattern row. You have your foundation row and then your first pattern row, and you just repeat the pattern row for as many times as you want. So I'll work another row with you. So I'll chain 1, 2 and 3, and we're here at our 3 double crochet shell. We work our shell around, our 3 double crochet shell around the middle double crochet of this 3 double crochet shell. So just a front post, 3 double crochet. And then the single crochet into the single crochet. And we do the same around the middle of this, the middle double crochet of the 3 double crochet shell. We just work front post. We'll work our 3 double crochet shell front post around the middle double crochet. And then just the single crochet into the single crochet, and you just repeat that till the end. And then your single crochet. And we've come to our turning chain. We just work a double crochet into the 1, 2, 3, the 3rd chain of the turning chain. And that is how your pattern is. It's reversible. You can have the ridges on both sides, and it's quite a solid pattern. It'll make up a nice warm cuddly blanket for a baby. And the 3 chain we work at the beginning of the row always counts as a stitch and as a turning chain, and it's quite a nice beginner friendly pattern. I do hope this tutorial has been useful and helpful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.